How to register and get eTravel Pass for Filipinos and foreigners arriving and departing in the Philippines starting April 1, 2024. First, download eGovPH app on your mobile phones available in App Store and Play Store. Look for the exact app with correct name and logo. You can sign up using either with APH mobile number or email. Key in the 6-digit verification code sent to your email and you have 3-minute grace period to do it so, or redo it again. Create your PIN code and make sure to take note of it for the next logins. Next, fill in 3 pages of information for identity verification. Enable camera for photo identification. If selfie photo submission is not a success, you may opt to submit a valid ID, or you can redo it again. Add your signature and continue. And once your account is approved, you are then able to get eTravel 72 hours or 3 days before your flight schedule. eTravel registration or update is absolutely free of charge, hence, it does not collect or require any form of online payment. Beware of fake, fraudulent, or scam websites and entities which require payment upon registration or updating. Please report all those who claim otherwise to the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center CICC through this link. Take a screenshot or download your QR code before closing or exiting the eTravel website or application. You will be required to show side QR code to an airline representative prior to boarding your flight.